In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your folder in Google Drive, a quick way to keep your files private and secure. First, open your browser and head over to drive.google.com. Log in with your Google account and you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now, locate the folder you want to lock. You can browse manually or use the search bar at the top to save time. Once you've found it, click on the folder to select it. It will highlight once chosen. Next, click on the share icon. It looks like a little person with a plus sign. A sharing window will pop up. Here's where the privacy settings are controlled. At the bottom, you'll see the access options. Change the setting to restricted, so only the people you specifically add will be able to open the folder. Double check the list of people with access and remove anyone you don't want. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Google Drive folder. From now on, only trusted people you invite can see the contents, keeping your information safe and private.